Hello, my name is Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to operate the control panel on a GEM 1504, 1506, or 1508 embroidery machine. Inputting a new design. Take your USB thumb drive with a DST file saved into it and insert it into the side of the machine. In order to input a new design, first we'll need to check if the machine is out of embroidery status and in design management status. To do this, there's two ways of knowing what status we're in. First, we'll see on our screen that there is a silhouette of a design on it. Second, you'll see that there is a key with a needle and a double-headed arrow on the bottom right corner. In order to relieve this design, let's press on this key and confirm to release the embroidery. The silhouette of the design is now gone. Next, we'll press on the design management key. Here we'll see the designs that are currently stored in the memory. In order to input a new design from USB, we'll press on the disk key, and we could now see our USB disk drive. Press on it, and we could see our DST files available in our USB key. Press the design you want to import and then press Data Import. Confirm. If you want to embroider the current design you just inputted, go ahead and press the check mark. You'll see a confirm action message asking whether you would like to change the colors and parameters of the design. If you wish to do so, press the check mark and you will now be directed to the color change sequence page. Input your color and press the check mark to confirm. You will now enter the design parameter page. At this point, if you wish to rotate your design, press on the direction key and change the rotation. If you're doing caps, press the third selection and confirm. This will rotate your design 180 degrees. Once complete, hit the exit key. Now that your design is almost ready for embroidery, we will perform a trace. To start, go to the 3 needle selection and go to needle 1. Note that we recommend doing our traces from needle 1. Exit. Now go into our parameters key, followed by option 3, design border operation, and option 3, once again, move frame along design border. A confirm action prompt will come up. Once you press the check mark, this will commence the trace. Once your trace is complete, simply exit the page. Once we're ready to embroider, we'll confirm our embroidery, and we'll now see the silhouette of our design displayed on the screen. Press start to begin embroidering. To back up, if you have a thread break, while the machine is stopped, you can press the stop key. The stop key will allow you to trace back into the design, being able to go over what didn't embroider during a thread break. Adjusting your speed is simple. Locate the RPM display on the screen and simply tap arrow down to lower or arrow up to raise the speed. To choose and embroider a design from the machine memory, start by relieving the embroidery, followed by going to design management. Select the design of your preference and choose set to embroider design. Your design will now come up and a confirm action prompt will ask whether you want to set up your color changes and your design parameters. To do so, press the check mark. If you have multiple color changes, follow your color order sheet provided by your digitizer or your digitizing software. Once you have chosen your color order, press the check mark to confirm, and the set parameters for embroidery design will come up. If you wish to rotate, Simply press in the direction key and rotate your design. For caps, choose the third option, rotating your design 180 degrees. Press that check mark to confirm, followed by exiting the page. Once you're ready to embroider, press the single needle with the double-headed arrow key to confirm your embroidery. Once loaded, you'll see your design silhouette on the screen and you're ready to press start. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit like, thumbs up, and leave comments. Thank you.